everyone, I'm teacher Joey. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own ice cube paint and we are going to create your own beautiful art piece. Let's get started!
The materials needed are ice cube tray, food coloring, ice cream sticks or sticks, and water. We are going to fill the ice cube tray with the food coloring. Use the bottle cap as a gauge. Only fill half of the bottle cap and pour it into the ice cube tray. Continue to fill the ice cube tray with the rest of the colors. Use the bottle cap as a gauge and fill it only half of the bottle cap and pour it into the ice cube tray. After filling up the ice cube tray, place the sticks in each individual compartment of the ice cube tray. After placing the ice cream sticks or sticks into the ice cube tray, we are going to fill the ice cube tray with water. After filling the ice cube tray with water, then place the ice cube tray in the freezer. After the ice cubes are ready after freezing, we are ready to do some painting.